Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Raj. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of RYOBI 13 amp 7¼ inch circular saw. I'm going to open the box and show you what's inside. If you're planning to buy, then you know what to expect inside the box. The very first thing I see is the owner's manual. 99.9% nobody even read this. It goes into the garbage straight. Then you have the machine right in the middle. They included a tool to replace the blade. It's a nice thing, so you don't need to look for a tool to install. Let's put that away. I will show you at the end how to install the blade. This is the blade come with this machine. The machine is made in Vietnam and the blade is made in China. You can always buy additional blades and replace it. They sell it separate. When you buy the blade, keep it in mind, more teeth it has, the cut will be very smooth. This one has less teeth, but it will do the job. Alright, now let's take a look at the machine. They have a plastic cover at the bottom to protect your finger. When that cut, that will open up by itself, and once it stops, they will close it automatically to protect your fingers. So they have a plastic cover around the teeth, so we can take it off before you install the blade. Now I'm going to show you how to install the blade. Always they have the blade separate. You have to install it before you use. They have a lock at the back, so you have to press and hold the lock and move this plastic away before you loosen up this screw. I'm going to hold it tight, both of them, with one hand, and then I'm going to loosen up the screw. So you take this screw out and the washer. So there are two pieces, and there is one more at the back that you put it back. It's written in there. It goes behind blade. Now we're going to install the blade. You see, one side is clean and one side they have the writing. So the writing side face up. Move that plastic cover and then you slide in the blade, and make sure you put it right in the middle and just give a try and see if it's rolling without any problem. Now put everything back and then tighten it. Again, when you tight, do the same thing. Press and hold that lock button and move the cover over, and then you tighten it. Now the machine is ready for the action. Let's give a try. Okay friends, if you like the video, don't forget to click the like button and consider subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching, and see you in another video.